Number 1. Some account balances for Cottonfield Enterprises are listed below. All balances are as of December 31st, 2016. In the space provided below, prepare an income statement for the year ending December 31st of 2016. You might not use all the listed information. Okay, so generally when I have to do an income statement from a list of scrambled accounts, I like to go through and scratch out the ones that we don't need. All right, so cotton revenue goes on the income statement. Expenses go on the income statement. Dividends do not. They show up on the statement of retained earnings. So I'm going to scratch those out. Wage expense goes on the income statement. Cash is an asset. It goes on the balance sheet. So I'm going to scratch that out. Unearned revenue is a liability. It goes on the balance sheet. So I'm going to scratch that out. Miscellaneous expense goes on the income statement. Accounts payable is a liability. It goes on the balance sheet. Accounts receivable is an asset and it goes on the balance sheet, and truck expense goes on the income statement. So the income statement starts off with a heading. So Cotton Enterprises, Cottonfield. And then you put income statement. And the date line is for the year ended, because you have to know the time frame that is covered or the information really doesn't have as much meaning. All right, so the first thing that you put is the revenue. So we have cotton revenue. And I would come on out here to the far right for the revenue. And we have our expenses. And you can just list them in any order. I'm not really too picky. Some people like to put them in alphabetical order. Some people put them in descending order by amount, but I'm not too worried about it. All right, so pesticide expenses are 3. Now, since I'm gonna have a list of them that I need to add up, I'm gonna put them on the inside column. So then I have wage expense, miscellaneous, truck. All right, so 3, 5.5, 7, 8. So our total expenses are 8,000. You subtract those. So 35 minus the 8 is 27,000, and that is net income.